All right, hey everyone. I'm here to report on this SDS Imports SLB ×3 12 gauge shotgun. So a lot of people have been asking how to get this back part off in order to put the pistol grip on. This is all you need to do. You need a 7 and 30 seconds. What is this? Alley key. This is all you need, but you need an extension to get up in there. This is what you need to get into. First, you will need to get you a screwdriver, Phillips. Undo it from at this part. Take this out. Remove this. So now you're looking at the inside. And this is what you need the alley key for and the extension for in order to get this off. So now all you need to do is, because it comes with an extra bolt, so you just put the bolt in here, just like this. Clamp it on there. Slide the bolt right in. Get you a 732 alley key ready. I don't know why the manufacturing people or whoever made this gun didn't show people how to do it, but I searched and searched for videos, didn't find anything. So now that it's tight on there, let's see, yeah. Now it's ready. That's it. That's all it took. That's to get the stock part off and put the pistol grip on. All right, thank you.